Have you ever wondered if your Tesla's battery will eventually need a full replacement, or if it's a one-time investment that will last the lifetime of your car? In this video, we'll delve into the world of Tesla batteries, exploring their lifespan, factors affecting their longevity, and the potential costs associated with a replacement. When you first bought your Tesla, you were likely excited about its range, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. But as time goes on, you might start to wonder, how long will this battery actually last? Is it something I need to worry about? Battery longevity. Let's start by addressing a common misconception. Tesla batteries aren't designed to be disposable. They're built to withstand thousands of charge-discharge cycles and are expected to last for many years. In fact, Tesla's battery warranty typically covers the battery for 8 years or 100,000 miles. However, just like any other electronic component, Tesla batteries are not immune to degradation. Over time, the capacity of the battery can decrease, meaning it won't hold as much charge as it did when new. This is a normal process known as the battery fade. Factors affecting battery longevity. Several factors can influence how quickly your Tesla's battery fades. These include charging habits. How you charge your car can significantly impact battery life. Frequent deep discharges, for example, can accelerate battery degradation. It's generally recommended to keep your battery charge level between 20% and 80%. Driving conditions. The way you drive your Tesla can also affect battery health. Aggressive driving, frequent rapid acceleration, and heavy towing can put extra strain on the battery. Temperature. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can shorten battery life. If you live in a region with harsh weather conditions, it's important to take steps to protect your battery, such as parking in shaded areas or using a garage. Battery Management System, BMS. Tesla's BMS is designed to optimize battery performance and longevity. However, if the BMS malfunctions, it can negatively impact battery health. Signs of battery degradation. If you suspect that your Tesla's battery may be starting to degrade, there are a few signs to look for. Reduced range. One of the most obvious signs of battery degradation is a decrease in your car's range. If you're noticing that you're not able to go as far on a full charge as you used to, it could be an indication that your battery is losing capacity. Longer charging times. If it takes longer than usual to charge your Tesla, it could be another sign of battery degradation. Performance issues. In some cases, battery degradation can lead to performance issues, such as slower acceleration or reduced power output. Replacing a Tesla battery. If your Tesla's battery does eventually need to be replaced, the cost can vary depending on the model and the specific battery pack. While it's a significant investment, it's important to note that replacing the battery can often restore your car's performance and range to like-new condition. Battery recycling. Tesla has made significant strides in battery recycling. When a Tesla battery reaches the end of its life, it can be recycled to recover valuable materials. This helps to reduce the environmental impact of battery production and disposal. So, does your Tesla battery need to be replaced? The answer is, it depends. With proper care and maintenance, your battery should last for many years. However, if you do notice signs of degradation, it's important to address the issue promptly. By understanding the factors that can affect battery longevity and taking steps to protect your battery, you can maximize its lifespan and enjoy the benefits of owning a Tesla for years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.